Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain some abbreviations related to computers. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine which accepts input data and processes data and gives output. You can say information. What is an acronym for computer? Common Oriented or Operating Machine, particularly used for trade, education and research. AT&T stands for American Telephone and Telegraph. It is the world's largest telephone company. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. AI is the science of making machines smart, using algorithms to allow computers to solve problems which used to be solved only by humans. Algol is short for algorithmic language. It is a family of portable programming language for scientific computations that had a strong influence on other languages. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. ALU is a digital circuit used to perform arithmetic and logic operations. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII codes represent text in computers, telecommunication equipment, and other devices. ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. ARP is a protocol operates below the network layer as a part of the interface between the OSI network and OSI link layer. ARPANET, it is the first name of the Internet, established in the year 1969. Advanced Research Project Agency Network. BASIC, Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. BASIC is a computer programming language that was developed in the mid-1960s to provide a way for students to write simple computer programs. BIOS, Basic Input-Output System. The BIOS firmware comes pre-installed on a personal computer system board, and it is the first software to run when power on. BINAC, B-I-N-A-C, Binary Arithmetic Computer. The Binary Arithmetic Computer was an advanced bit serial binary computer with two independent CPUs. BCD, Binary Coded Decimal. It is a class of binary encodings of decimal numbers, where each digit is represented by a fixed number of bits, usually 4 or 8. BCC, Blind Carbon Copy. BCC is a way of sending copies of an email to other people. It is called blind carbon copy because the other recipients won't be able to see that someone else has been sent a copy of the email. B2B, Business to Business. B2B, also known as e-biz, is an exchange of products, services, or information between business rather than between business and consumers. BPI, Bytes per Inch, the measurement of the number of bits stored in 1 linear inch of a track on a disk or a tape. BPS, Bits per Second or Bytes per Second. BPS is a standard way to measure data transfer rates such as network connection and internet download speeds. Next, CD, Compact Disc. It is an extension of Laserdisc. It was first developed by two companies, namely Sony and Philips. CD was initially developed for sound recordings and storage only. CC, Carbon Copy. It is a copy of a note sent to an addressee other than the main addressee. COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language. It is primarily used in business, finance, and administrative systems for companies and governments. CLI, Command Line Interface. It is a command line program that accepts text input to execute operating system functions. CL, Command Lines. CAN, Campus Area Network. It is a network of multiple interconnected local area networks, LANs, in a limited geographical area such as a university campus or corporate campus. CRT, Cathode Ray Tube. It is a vacuum tube that contains one or more electron guns and a phosphorescent screen and is used to display images. CPU, Central Processing Unit. A central processor unit, also called as central processor or main processor, it is an electronic circuitry within a computer that executes instructions that make up a computer program. Next, CDR, compact disc recordable. It means it is a digital optical disc storage format. It is a compact disc that can be written once and read many times. And next, CD-ROM, compact disc read-only memory. These types of disks are created commercially and you cannot save data to them once they have been created. And next, CD-RW, compact disc rewritable. These disks can be written, read, erased and rewritten. CD. In DOS operating system or Unix operating system, we call CD means change directory.